Jerusalem. The time was long ago. The people called him Jesus. The crime was the love he showed, and I'm the one to blame. I caused all the pain. He gave himself the day he wore my crown. He brought us love that only he could give, and we brought him cause to cry. And although he taught us how to live, it was for our sin he had to die. I'm the one to blame. Yes, I caused all his pain. He gave himself the day he wore my crown. He could have called his holy Father and said, "Take me away, oh please, take me away." He could have said, "I'm not guilty, and I'm not gonna stay. Oh no, I'm not gonna pay."
But he walked right through the gate, and then on up the hill.
And as he fell beneath the weight, he cried, "Father, not my will." And I'm the one to blame. I caused all the pain. He gave himself the day he wore my crown. I'm the one to blame. I caused all his pain. He gave himself the day he wore my crown.
He was wounded for our transgressions. He was bruised for our iniquity. The chastisement of our peace was upon him, and with his stripes we